In this video, we are going to see how we can review all the filtered comments on the TikTok application. So if you have applied a filter and you want to review all the messages that is collected in the filtered section on TikTok application, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just move to your profile from the bottom right hand corner. And once we are in the profile, click on the three lines at the top right and head over to the settings and privacy. Now, once we are in the settings and privacy, we will scroll down all the way to this section where it says interactions. That's right here. And from here, we will choose comments. Now, under the comment section, here is review filtered comments. You will collect all of those here. And it says only approved comments will be displayed. So you click on that and here all are collected. Now it's your choice if you want to allow a certain comment or just delete that. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.